kayo diri karon sa Coron, Palawan. Nangita ako sa makina sa spring, ato ko dito. Palawan, Coron. Okay, okay. I'm here at the Makinit Hot Spring. It's raining, as you can see it's flood. Makinit Springs, adult 200 baht, included. No drone zone. Dito na ako ngayon. Entrance fee is 300 for one adult. Okay, when wet. Ito po. Woo! Ito yung Makinit Hot Spring. This is the Makinit Hot Spring. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah, it's salt water hot. Salt water. It's perfect. It's raining and it's a hot spring, but it's salt water. It's a salt water hot spring. Even if you don't know how to swim, you will float. Look at that. It's smoking. Because it's hot and it's cold outside. Goes by the atmosphere. Look at that. There's a bunch of people right there enjoying the hot saltwater spring. Not breasted malkoha, hooded pita, blue-eared kingfisher, Rufous night heron, swallow, white colored.
Nakakaramdam na ako nung lumakad ko. Baka naglagay na. Wala mo lang.